I'm going to talk to you right now about why ACLs often fail after they've been repaired. First, you got to understand where is the ACL. So here's the knee joint. See that right there? It crosses over like that. Or this would be the PCL, and then the ACL anterior, posterior, collateral lateral ligament. It helps to decrease and provide stability here, decrease some of the rotational moment here. But for your knee to function, you don't just have a hinge joint, you have a joint that also rotates. So it has to be able to do these movements. And what that looks like, because it's hard to really understand it when you're just looking at like a skeleton, like how that really translates is that when you're walking, your foot collapses, tibia, this bone has to move with it. Your knee is going to move with it. Your hip has to move with it. All of these things are happening in your daily life when you're walking, when you're running, and if you're playing sports, even at a higher demand. The main problem here that we're talking about is why does your ACL fail? Why does it fail again after you've had the surgery, and what do you need to do to fix it? What you need to do or know or understand is that it's okay to train in these different directions. And so in this next part of the blog post and video series, what we're going to do is go ahead and talk more about these and what some progressions could be if you've torn your ACL or if you've had surgery and they've repaired it. But also if you zoom out, you can think about it from the bigger, higher level and know that like some of these movements you need to actually be doing before it fails, and it'll help prevent these in the future. Now you can't ever fully prevent injury, but you can do the things that set your body up for a bigger or a greater chance at not failing when high demands are put on it. And so you need to train the way that you're going to move in the sport, in life, in the game, whatever you're going to do.